Grab it.
No, that's the end.
Too bad.
Well, I'm not one try already. I've done one.
Pick it up.
No. I'm not touching Wormy's butt.
How do you know it's not the face?
Because when there's stuff coming out of it that looks like poo, gives you a bit of an answer. What do I hear buzzing around me?
Worms.
Oh, there's something buzzing. Wormy, wormy, come out, wherever you are.
Ah, some eating.
Just give me some rubber gloves and I'll do it.
No. Use your hand.
Yeah, Batman!
They'll pick it up.
I'm ready to go. I need some gloves.